Today I'm going to show you how to make a palm tree. What you'll need is sections of newspaper. I've cut some strips out of paper bags, and then green for your leaves. And what I did is I folded cardstock green into 4 and cut out, I've already done the 3, but cut out at a diagonal off of your square so you get the length of it. And then what you need to do in your leaves, I've already done the first 3, is just kind of give them some edges. Do it at a diagonal. Doesn't have to go all the way in, but you want to do that so you have some dimension to your leaves for the top and give it a little bit of a fold. So to get started on the palm tree, what you do is take sections of newspaper, and I'd start with the first one, and I'll just start rolling it up. And you keep overlapping. When you get about halfway, roll it up, get your next section, kind of line it up. What I like to try to do, see how I have the fold of the newspaper here? Get it going on the other side. This will give it a little bit better strength. And obviously what you're going to do is, depending on the size, the height is how big you would be rolling up your newspaper. And these few tabs that are out here, what I'm going to do is just kind of tape them down so they stay. So that's the main part of the palm tree. And now what you do is you reach inside and you just telescope it out for what you want for height. And if you have some extra flaps, you can tape those down a little bit just to secure it better. Now, taking the brown paper, I'm going to do it at a diagonal, kind of tuck this on the inside, and just roll this around to get it started. And I would put a little piece of tape there to secure it. And then I would start my next one. And I'm going to tuck this down inside. So now that we've finished our main stalk here, we're going to take our leaves, and I've made some little bigger leaves. I used smaller ones earlier to demonstrate. I'm going to crease this a little bit. I kind of made it longer so it'd be easier to get in the hole. We're going to insert this in, making sure it stays a little bit. We'll try to get a little piece of tape in there to secure it. I'm going to turn it, insert this one in. Okay, so these are going to get all tucked in there. And what you can do is give it a bit of a bend, because sometimes the leaves are going to do that naturally. Okay, so after you've adjusted them, make them look a little more natural. You could use this as a table decoration, parties, or just fun vacation idea. Aloha, have a good day.